5 AI websites that will save you hours every week, 2026. Intro. Imagine having an AI assistant that can study for you, create presentations, design professional graphics, edit your videos, and even organize your work in just a few minutes. Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, thanks to artificial intelligence, these tools are no longer part of the future. They're available right now, and most people still don't know about them. In today's video, I'll show you 5 powerful AI websites that can completely change the way you work, study, and create content. Whether you're a student, freelancer, YouTuber, or business owner, these tools can save you hours every single week. And here's something important. Don't skip this video because the last AI website is my personal favorite, and it's one of the most useful AI tools I've ever used. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Futuristic AI animation person using laptop fast typing robot visuals, AI graphics 5 AI websites you need in 2026. Website number 1, NotebookLM. The first AI website is NotebookLM by Google. At first glance, it might look like just another chatbot, but it's actually much more powerful than that. Instead of searching the entire internet, NotebookLM works directly with your own documents. You can upload PDFs, textbooks, research papers, Word files, meeting notes, or even your own writing. Once everything is uploaded, the AI reads and understands your documents within seconds. Now imagine you're preparing for an exam with hundreds of pages of notes. Instead of reading everything again, you can simply ask NotebookLM questions like, what are the most important points? Can you summarize Chapter 3? Explain this topic in simple words. And the AI answers using only your uploaded files. That makes the information much more accurate and relevant. But here's the feature that completely blew my mind. NotebookLM can even create an audio discussion based on your documents. It sounds like 2 people are having a podcast conversation about your notes. You can literally listen to your study material while walking, traveling, or working out. For students, researchers, teachers, and content creators, this can save an incredible amount of time. Instead of spending hours searching through documents, you get answers almost instantly. And because this tool is developed by Google, the experience is smooth and very beginner-friendly. If you've never tried NotebookLM before, I highly recommend checking it out after watching this video. NotebookLM homepage, upload PDF AI summary, ask questions audio overview, feature student studying, laptop screen recording. Website number 2, Gamma AI. The second AI website is Gamma AI, and if you've ever spent hours creating PowerPoint presentations, this tool will completely change your workflow. Normally, creating a presentation means choosing templates, writing content, arranging images, and adjusting the design. It can easily take several hours. With Gamma AI, the process is much simpler. All you have to do is type your topic. For example, you can write "The Future of Artificial Intelligence" or "Marketing Strategy for Small Businesses." Within a minute, Gamma AI generates a complete presentation with professional layouts, beautiful images, organized sections, and well-written content. The best part is that you're not locked into the first version. You can edit every slide, change the design, add your own images, rewrite the text, or even ask the AI to improve specific sections. This makes Gamma perfect for students preparing assignments, teachers creating lessons, business owners pitching ideas, and professionals who want to save time. Instead of spending 3 or 4 hours building slides from scratch, you can finish the first draft in just a few minutes. If presentations are a regular part of your work or studies, Gamma AI is definitely worth trying. Gamma AI homepage, typing a presentation topic, AI generating slides, editing a slide, final presentation preview. Website number 3, Krea AI. The third website is Krea AI, and this one is perfect for anyone who creates visual content. Whether you're making YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, advertisements, or digital artwork, Krea AI can help you create professional images in just seconds. Simply describe what you want using a text prompt. For example, you could type, "A futuristic robot working on a laptop in a neon cyberpunk city," Within seconds, Krea AI generates multiple high-quality images based on your description. If you don't like the first result, you can instantly change the style, lighting, colors, or composition without starting over. One feature I really like is the real-time editing experience. You can adjust your prompt and immediately see the image change, making the creative process much faster. This is especially useful for YouTubers, designers, marketers, and content creators who need fresh visuals on a regular basis. Instead of searching through stock photo websites for hours, you can create something unique that's designed exactly for your project. Krea AI homepage. Typing an image. Prompt AI generating images before and after comparison. Thumbnail examples. Zoom into final artwork. Website number 4, Opus Clip. The fourth AI website is Opus Clip. And if you're a YouTuber, podcaster, educator, or content creator, this tool can save you an incredible amount of editing time. Creating short-form videos from long content is usually a slow process. You have to watch the entire video, find the best moments, crop the frame, add captions, and export everything manually. Opus Clip does almost all of this automatically. Simply upload your long-form video and the AI analyzes the entire content. It identifies the most engaging moments, creates vertical clips, adds animated captions, and even adjusts the framing so the speaker stays in the center of the screen. One feature I really like is the AI scoring system. It predicts which clips have the highest chance of performing well on platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. Instead of spending hours editing multiple short videos, you can create several clips in just a few minutes. For content creators who want to grow faster, this tool can save both time and effort while helping them publish more consistently. Opus Clip homepage, uploading a long video AI processing animation before versus after finished vertical shorts with captions, social media icons. Tool 5, Adobe Firefly. The fifth AI tool is Adobe Firefly. If you want to create stunning AI images, thumbnails, social media graphics, or creative artwork in just a few seconds, Adobe Firefly is one of the best options available. Simply type a text prompt, choose your preferred style, and Firefly generates high-quality images almost instantly. It's perfect for YouTubers, content creators, designers, and marketers who want professional visuals without advanced design skills. Since it's developed by Adobe, the quality and editing options are excellent. If you regularly create online content, Adobe Firefly can save you a lot of time and help your work stand out. Outro. Those were 5 amazing AI websites that can save you time and improve your productivity. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to AI Plus MG, and turn on notifications so you never miss future AI content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.